In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to superscript in Canva. If you've ever needed to format a math exponent, a chemical formula, or a small trademark style character in Canva, you've probably noticed that getting it to look clean can be a little tricky if you don't know where to click. The good news is that Canva includes built-in text formatting tools that make this much easier than trying to fake it with separate text boxes and awkward manual positioning. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can apply Superscript neatly and keep your design looking professional. First, open Canva and load the project where you want to make the change. From your homepage, go into your recent designs and open the presentation, flyer, document, or graphic you want to edit. Once the design is open, give yourself a moment to locate the exact text element you'll be working on so you don't accidentally edit the wrong box. Next, click into the text box that contains the character you want to raise. Double-click so you enter text editing mode, then carefully highlight only the specific character or symbol you want to turn into superscript. For example, that might be the number in an equation or a small set of letters beside a word. It's important to highlight just that section because Canva will only apply the formatting to whatever is selected. After that, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. Look for the text formatting options. Depending on your Canva layout, you may see a text styles option directly, or you may need to click the three-dot More menu to reveal additional controls. Open that menu and look through the available text settings. Now find the superscript option. The icon usually looks like a letter with a smaller number raised above it. Once you click it, Canva will automatically reduce the size of the selected character and lift it above the normal text line. This should happen instantly, and it usually gives you a much cleaner result than trying to position things manually. If your chosen font doesn't support Canva's superscript formatting properly, there is still a workaround. You can manually create the effect by typing the character, reducing its font size to about half the size of the main text, and then adjusting its position upward so it sits above the baseline. This takes a little more care, but it can still look very polished if aligned well. Once everything looks right, do a quick visual check to make sure the superscript sits neatly with the rest of your text. If you're happy with the result, go to Share, choose Download, select PNG if that suits your project, and then download your finished design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.